Do you often find yourself stuck in a cycle of procrastination, low energy, and lack of motivation? If yes, you're not alone. Laziness isn't always about being unmotivated, it's often a symptom of something deeper. Let's unravel the psychological and practical reasons behind it and learn how to reclaim your energy and purpose. We've all had days when we don't feel like doing anything, when the couch feels like our best friend and tasks seem overwhelming. But what if this state persists? Chronic laziness can affect our productivity, mental health, and relationships. The good news is, laziness is not a permanent state. With the right understanding and strategies, you can overcome it. This article dives deep into the psychology of laziness, its causes, and how to break free from its grip. So, what is laziness? Laziness is often described as a reluctance to engage in effortful tasks despite having the ability to do so. Psychologists define it as a state where motivation is low, energy levels are depleted, or priorities are misaligned. Lack of clear goals. Without specific objectives, the mind struggles to focus. Overwhelm. Too many tasks can paralyze decision making, leading to inaction. Low energy levels. Poor sleep, unhealthy eating, or lack of exercise can make you feel lethargic. Fear of failure. Sometimes, we avoid tasks because we are afraid of not doing them perfectly. Mental health issues. Depression, anxiety, or chronic stress often masquerade as laziness. How to stay active? Set realistic goals. Break large tasks into smaller, manageable steps. Completing smaller tasks boosts confidence and builds momentum. Prioritize tasks. Use techniques like the Eisenhower matrix to differentiate between urgent and non-urgent tasks, helping you focus on what truly matters. Establish a routine. Having a daily routine creates a sense of discipline and reduces decision fatigue. Start with simple habits like waking up at the same time every day. Stay physically active. Exercise releases endorphins, which energize the body and improve mood. Even a 10-minute walk can make a big difference. Fuel your body properly. A balanced diet rich in nutrients sustains energy levels. Avoid too much sugar and caffeine, as they lead to crashes. Practice mindfulness. Meditation and mindfulness exercises improve focus and reduce procrastination caused by stress or anxiety. How to cure laziness in life? Understand the root cause. Ask yourself, why do I feel lazy? Journaling or speaking to a therapist can help uncover underlying issues. Develop a growth mindset. Believe that effort leads to improvement. Replace thoughts like, I can't, with, I can learn how. Reward progress. Celebrate small wins. Rewards, no matter how minor, reinforce positive behavior and motivation. Limit distractions. Identify what pulls you away from tasks, social media, TV, and create boundaries to limit these distractions. Surround yourself with positive influences. Being around motivated individuals can inspire you to take action. Seek out accountability partners. So, why do we procrastinate? Procrastination is often mistaken for laziness, but it's a behavior driven by fear, anxiety, or a lack of connection to the task. Addressing the root cause of procrastination can lead to a more active and fulfilling life. How to build momentum? Start small, begin with a task that takes 5 minutes. Use the Pomodoro technique, work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. Visualize success, picture the satisfaction of completing your task. Is laziness a myth? Contrary to popular belief, laziness isn't always about a lack of effort or willpower. It's often a misinterpretation of other underlying issues. Unclear purpose. When your goals feel meaningless, it's hard to summon motivation. Chronic stress. Persistent stress can make even small tasks feel insurmountable. Energy conservation. Sometimes, the brain chooses to conserve energy for perceived bigger challenges ahead. Societal pressure. A fast-paced culture that glorifies overworking can label natural rest periods as lazy. Strategies to overcome laziness. Adopt the 2-minute rule. Commit to starting a task for just 2 minutes. Often, getting started is the hardest part, and momentum builds from there. Create a reward system. Link small rewards to task completion. For example, after completing a 30-minute work session, allow yourself a 5-minute break for a treat. Use visual reminders. Keep your goals visible on a vision board, sticky notes, or even your phone background to stay inspired. Declutter your space. A cluttered environment can overwhelm your brain and reduce productivity. A tidy workspace often sparks action. Break down tasks. Large projects can feel overwhelming. Divide them into small, manageable tasks to make progress less intimidating. Master the art of saying no. Sometimes, laziness stems from overcommitment. Learn to decline tasks that don't align with your priorities. Reconnect with your why. To truly overcome laziness in pursuing long-term goals, it's essential to reconnect with your underlying purpose, your why. This step isn't just about reminding yourself of the goal but understanding the emotional and personal significance it holds. For instance, if your goal is to start a business, ask yourself, what will achieving this bring into my life? Is it financial freedom, the ability to help others, or personal growth? Write these answers down and revisit them regularly. When you know why something matters, it reignites your passion and transforms the goal from a vague aspiration into a driving force. Visualize this in exercises, such as imagining your ideal future after achieving the goal, can further deepen your emotional connection to it. Automate decisions. One of the sneaky culprits of laziness is decision fatigue, the mental exhaustion that comes from making too many choices daily. By automating small decisions, you free up mental energy for more significant tasks. For instance, simplify your mornings by planning your outfits for the week or meal prepping over the weekend. These small changes create a consistent routine, reducing the mental load and creating space to focus on your goals. Automation extends beyond daily habits. Digital tools like task planners or calendar reminders can streamline productivity and ensure that you stay on track with minimal effort. Balance effort and rest. Pushing yourself relentlessly without adequate rest leads to burnout, which often masquerades as laziness. True productivity lies in balancing effort with deliberate rest periods. Schedule breaks into your day, whether it's a 10-minute walk after an hour of work or a weekend entirely dedicated to relaxation. Rest restores your energy, sharpens focus, and ensures long-term sustainability in pursuing your goals. For instance, alternating between high-intensity tasks and low-intensity activities ensures that you're consistently productive without feeling drained. Embracing rest as a productivity tool rather than a sign of weakness helps build a sustainable work ethic. Laziness versus rest. Dr. Susan David, a prominent psychologist, differentiates between laziness and rest, emphasizing that taking time to rest is vital for mental and physical recovery. Rest is an intentional act of self-care that restores energy and motivation, whereas laziness often stems from avoidance or lack of clarity. For example, a day spent relaxing after a hectic week isn't laziness, it's a deliberate way to recharge and return stronger. This perspective helps in reframing how you view your downtime, ensuring you don't guilt yourself into overworking and burning out. The psychological roots of laziness. Laziness is often misunderstood as a lack of willpower, but it can stem from deeper psychological factors. At its core, it may be a response to fear, fear of failure, fear of judgment, or even fear of success. For instance, if a person procrastinates on starting a new project, it could be because they worry about not meeting expectations or being criticized. This avoidance behavior is mislabeled as laziness when it's actually a coping mechanism for deeper insecurities. Additionally, unresolved mental health issues such as anxiety or depression can manifest as low energy or lack of motivation. Understanding that laziness may have emotional or psychological roots helps in addressing it with compassion rather than self-criticism. The importance of building momentum. Laziness often feels like a heavy inertia that's hard to shake off. The secret to overcoming it lies in building momentum through small, consistent actions. Starting with tiny tasks can create a domino effect that leads to bigger accomplishments. For example, making your bed in the morning or organizing your desk might seem trivial, but it sets the tone for a productive day. This concept, often called the snowball effect, leverages the psychological boost of achievement to inspire further action. Once you feel the satisfaction of completing one task, your brain is more likely to seek out and complete others, breaking the cycle of inaction. The role of environment in laziness. Your environment plays a critical role in influencing your behavior. A cluttered, noisy, or disorganized space can drain your energy and foster procrastination. Conversely, a clean and organized environment promotes focus and action. For instance, having a dedicated workspace with minimal distractions can improve productivity significantly. The people around you also matter. Spending time with highly motivated individuals can inspire you to adopt their habits, while being surrounded by negativity can drag you down. Taking control of your environment, both physical and social, is a proactive step toward overcoming laziness.